If you're still using Windows 10, it's time to upgrade to Windows 11 because Windows 10 support has officially ended, which means no more regular security updates or bug fixes, leaving your PC more vulnerable over time. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 without a USB drive, without losing your data, and even on many older or unsupported PCs and laptops. We'll use Microsoft's official tools to make the process as safe and straightforward as possible. So make sure to watch the video till the end, do not skip any part, otherwise it might be that the method won't work for you. So let's start without any further delay. So guys, the very first thing you need to do is download the Windows 11 ISO. And for that, open any browser and type here, Windows 11 ISO download, hit enter. You will see several results. Click the first Microsoft website link. The first result should take you straight to Microsoft's official download page. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the download Windows 11 this image ISO section. Click the drop-down menu and select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO and click on Conform, and then it will validate. Now it will ask you to select the product language. Now in this method, guys, you have to keep one thing in mind. Here you have to choose the exact same product language that is currently installed in your Windows 10. Now, to find this out, go to the Start and open Settings. Then go to Time and Language. Then Region. Note the region, which like mine is showing English US here, which means English United States. Now that I know my language, so now go back to the browser and click on the drop down and choose the exact same language here. Now, why do you need to do this? Because otherwise, this method might not work. So in this method, you have to choose your language very carefully. Then click on Confirm. And after that, click on 64-bit download. And now look here, its ISO download will start. So this is our latest version, Windows 11 25H2, and its size is 7.9 gigabytes. So now you have to wait until your download completes. Once the download is complete, go to your downloads folder here. You will find the ISO file. Right click on it and select Mount. Windows will treat it as a virtual DVD, and you'll see it appear in this PC as a new drive. Now, select all the files, then copy them. Next, go to your local disk C drive in File Explorer. Right-click on an empty area and create a new folder. Name it Windows 11, open that folder and paste the files inside. Now you've got everything you need right on your hard drive, no USB required. Here comes the part. We're launching the setup while bypassing Microsoft's hardware checks. This step is essential if your PC doesn't meet Windows 11's system requirements. Now copy the folder path in File Explorer. Next, open Command Prompt with administrator privileges. Click on Yes. Now you need to type a simple command here, which is CD, and then paste the folder path you copied and then hit Enter. Now you need to type it here, setup.exe, then give a space, / type product space server. Just hit enter, and in a short while you will see that the setup page will start here, and here it will tell you install Windows Server. So right now, don't panic here thinking that we are going to install server here. No, here this name is showing only because we have used a small trick here so that we can bypass if you have unsupported hardware so that you can install it easily there as well. So here you need to click on Next. And look, it will check the PC, etc. and automatically it will bypass, whether your hardware meets requirements or not in both cases. So just click on Accept here. Keep personal files and apps. Yes, we want to keep that. Then click on Next. Then it will say ready to install, so you just need to click on Install here. And look, our Windows installation has also started, upgrading to Windows 11, but the work is not finished yet. Even after this, we need to do some important things. So here let's wait, and after this, I will show you what we need to do next. Okay guys, so finally after upgradation, you'll boot right into Windows 11 desktop. Everything will be just as you left it. Files in their folders, apps in the start menu, and settings untouched. To confirm the upgrade was successful, click the start button, type WinVer, and open it. A window will pop up and look, This is our latest version, Windows 11 25H2. Now after doing this much, head back to your C drive. Delete the Windows 11 folder to free up space. If you keep it, it will take up unnecessary space. And that's it. Your smooth free upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 is complete. If this tutorial helped you out or made your upgrade easier, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple and easy to follow guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video.